Alright, get closer. Look at me, smile.
And again, we've got nice relaxation time for you in the spa. If you want to get in on a big port day savings special at the spa, call 1199 for our secret super special spa savings happening right now. And you guys can just walk on over there to Deck 6 as well to Cloud9 Spa to get in for a relaxing afternoon. I'll see you guys all upstairs a little later on for our Mardi Gras games at 4:30. And of course, more fun tonight. But until then, enjoy your day. We'll see y'all around. Bye. Okay, bye.
What's going on, everybody? We're in Costa Maya, and as promised, we're out here just exploring the ship. I just did a tour of Loft 19 and the Serenity area. That'll be in a separate video, but here's a little bit of a clip here as well. So we're out here on just overlooking this ship. This is really the first time. As I said, we spend so much time on our own balcony and stuff. We haven't really gotten out here. We figured, hey, a lot of people off the ship, it's a good day to kind of explore a little bit. So this is the Lido area. And she says the screen's smaller. I think the screen is bigger. What do you think? It has to be bigger. It has to be bigger because it's a bigger ship. I don't know. But you got the Red Frog. It is set up a little different when you had, remember they had the tequila bar on the other ships. But they have the Red Frog Tiki bar and it's like 2 levels. Yeah, the Blue Iguana. Do they even have the Blue Iguana on this ship at all?
I don't know.
I mean, not even a, I guess we can go figure out. So they have the Guy's Burger over there on 17. Let's go walk on this side over here and see if they have the Blue Iguana over there. take an anchor for dinner tonight. We usually have it for lunch on other ships, but this is the first one where they have it for dinner, so we're going to see if it's anything like the ones on other ships, or if this is better. So we're going to go try it out. Trying to get that. So I'm over here, Mr. Clutch over here, or Klutz, spilling stuff, spill a thing of water. But this looks, oh, it looks good. Fixing to taste it. I will say that the brisket definitely looks different than what I used to. How's yours? I haven't got an answer. How's yours? How's your brisket? Brisket's decent.
The pork is good.
The pork, she says the pork is good. Kind of hard to mess up pulled pork. I've got the white chicken. You got the sausage, didn't you? Got the white chicken, because they give you a choice between white meat and dark meat. Good. Down to the pulled pork. Pulled pork's good. I'd say all three meats on mine are good. A little warm. The pork is a little warm. I mean, like spicy warm. Where you at on the brisket? Mine's better? She said my brisket's better.
It's only because I helped you make it.
That's true. But listen, we don't, it's salt and pepper and a lot of smoke. We don't really like do a whole lot of, but that's why we do in Texas. Our brisket is salt and pepper, hickory, and pecan. That's how we do it. If you do it right, you don't need sauce. Anyway, get a taste test on your, that's all you got was fries? You didn't get anything else?
I ordered mac and cheese also and then she gave it to me and I
I'm going to try your sausage.
I mean, just by looking at it, it's like it's falling apart.
Like it's falling apart? Sausage is not supposed to fall apart. No bueno. You should on the sausage. I sure hope you can hear me over all this noise. There would be or that would suck up a tape. Alright. We're gonna eat.